So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone wallpaper goes black and iPhone any wallpaper that select and set as current wallpaper it's turn into black wallpaper. Lot of iPhone user facing this kind of issue. If you're also facing this kind of issue, keep watching full video. There are some method to solve that issue. So let's start video without wasting any time and firstly move to the first solution. The first solution is force to restart your iPhone, because many kind of little bug will fix after force to restart your iPhone. To do that, press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone and your iPhone is forced to restart. Okay, if that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is check iPhone iOS update. To check that, open iPhone settings. Make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. Tap on general, tap on software update. Make sure you don't have any pending iOS update. If you have any pending iOS update, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS and it will fix that bug. Okay, if that method is also not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is turn off your iPhone and then turn it on after 5 to 10 seconds. To do that, open iPhone setting, tap on general, scroll down, tap on shutdown and restart your mobile after 5 to 10 seconds and it will easily fix your issue. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then change your iPhone wallpaper and theme. To change that, open iPhone setting, scroll down, tap on wallpaper, tap on wallpaper. Okay, select any other wallpaper, suppose right now select and set as current wallpaper and then restart your mobile after 5 to 10 seconds. It will 100% fix. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone wallpaper goes black and turn into black wallpaper any wallpaper that set as current wallpaper after iOS 17 update. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.